Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a grid on Procreate. First, open your canvas and tap the wrench icon in the top left corner. Select Canvas from the menu, then toggle on Drawing Guide. This will bring up a basic grid on your canvas. Now, let's dive into customizing this grid to fit your specific project needs. We'll explore the various options available to make your grid perfect for any drawing. Once the drawing guide is active, tap Edit Drawing Guide to open the customization panel. Here, you can adjust several key properties. You can change the grid's color to ensure it stands out against your artwork, making it easier to see. Experiment with the grid line thickness and spacing to create the perfect visual guide for your project. These adjustments are crucial for achieving precise alignment and proportion in your illustrations. Procreate offers more than just a basic square grid. Within the Edit Drawing Guide menu, you'll find options for 2D grid, isometric, and perspective guides. The 2D grid is ideal for most projects, but isometric and perspective guides are fantastic for architectural drawings or scenes with depth. You can also fine-tune the grid's rotation and enable snapping to lines, which helps maintain accuracy when drawing intricate details. Grids are powerful tools for maintaining consistency in your artwork, especially when dealing with repetitive elements or precise layouts. They significantly improve your drawing accuracy and help with overall composition, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned. Remember to experiment with different grid types and settings to find what works best for your creative process. Also, for all your reading needs, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Happy drawing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.